Get any such prompt generated by any AI. Paste it in whatever AI you use to generate the image. I have used Microsoft's Copilot. I am putting this prompt in the description, please check it. There is nothing to worry about. In this way, whatever character you create will be 100% yours, the full copyright will remain yours. We have the outline that I created with AI. I have dragged it and placed it here. If you want, you can remove its background with the magic wand tool. But I am showing you this just to make it clear. We want to trace, so we will trace it with the pen tool. If you have learned the tools of Adobe Animate well, you will know where to use which tool. What kind of line is needed? What should the curve be like? What should be its width? And where the pen tool, pencil tool, or brush tool will be better. All this you can decide as per your convenience. I traced this outline using multiple tools. The most important thing is, we have created this outline with AI. But we are creating the final artwork ourselves. Therefore, its entire copyright will be ours. Now I will trace each part of it in separate groups, placing them on the same layer. Once the tracing is complete, we will color it in. After filling the first color, we will add 3D depth and shadow. You can choose the colors as per your choice. After coloring, we will set all the parts of the character in the right place. What should be in the front? And what should be behind? Then we will give the outline the same thickness. Remove the extra lines and add new lines where needed. Finally, we will give the final touch by adding some shadow and depth using the brush tool. So here we go. Our character is ready. You can animate this if you want, but I made this specifically for thumbnails. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you want to learn 2D animation in detail, we have a 2D animation course on Udemy. Link is in the description. If you are a beginner, start watching the Tool by Tool series on Adobe Animate's tools on my channel. And yes, if you have any questions, you can ask in the comments. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next class. Bye and take care.